Now let's take our vamping to another level. So initially I taught you that's one way, and I told you to learn this progression. Just on your left hand, because we are going to be doing something on the right hand and it will sound like this. Let's add a beat to that and see how it sounds. Sorry. Okay, so this groove is usually played with but I'm teaching you vamping, so I'm showing you how to vamp that groove with chords. So the left hand, as I told you earlier, plays one, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. The right hand, it plays 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. I am sorry, 1, 1, 5, 5. And in an inverted manner, the 3, 5, the 1. Sometimes you can throw in the 6. Then the next chord, inverted A flat chord, major chord. This is E flat, A flat, C. So 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 5, 5. So you have to play both hands and it sounds like this. So it's like this. When the right hand plays the 1 chord, the left hand plays the 1 chord. The next part, the right hand plays the 1 chord again. The left hand plays the 4 chord. Then the right hand plays the 5. The left hand plays the 5 as well. The right hand plays the 5 again. The left hand plays the 4. Then the right hand goes back to 1, left hand 1. So let me take it slowly. Did we get that? First and second. The next part. So when you play everything, it sounds like this. Sometimes you can move your hands to the